will SMP work on lighter hair tones? So getting a hair tattoo and having lighter hair tone is not a problem. Here at HD Hairlines, we've had clients in the 70s get SMP, and as you know, as we get older our hair lightens up. Some of these clients had white and grey hair, and the results looked fantastic. If it is a concern of yours having light hair and getting SMP, get in contact, talk to us. But generally what we'll do is use a lighter ink and we build the colour up over time. Being conservative to make sure we don't get things too dark. And another thing we can do is modify the ink to make sure it's the right colour for your hair tone. But generally we're more concerned of skin tone than hair tone when we do this matching. So anyone with lighter hair, whether it's grey, blonde, even ginger, we can get fantastic results for you. Best thing to do if you are concerned about this is send us over a picture, because we won't work with anyone that we can't 100% guarantee results for, and we'll let you know if SMP is. If there's a question on your mind that hasn't been answered, then let me know. Get in touch and I'll make a bespoke video just for you answering your question.